Disinfection means dash. Answer is destroying all microorganisms. Sterilizing articles by means of steam under pressure is known as answer autoclaving. Calculation of pediatric dosage of medicine is by using options are Young's rule, Clark's rule, Freed's rule, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Difficulty in getting of sleep or maintaining sleep is known as answer is insomnia. Moving a part of the body to note the flexibility is known as dash. Answer is manipulation. Primary effect of cold application is vasodilation, dilation, ventilation, vasoconstriction. Answer is vasoconstriction. Tapping an area to elicit sound is known as percussion, palpation, observation, auscultation. Answer is percussion. Which of the following drug will soften, soothe and protect mucous membrane? Option A emollient, option B caustics, option C demulcents, option D astringent. Answer is option A emollient. Environmental barrier of communication is option A noise, option B deafness, option C loss of concentration, option D loss of attention. Answer is option A noise. Painful micturition is called option A dysuria, option B anuria, option C glycosuria, option D oliguria. Answer is option A dysuria. Complication of prolonged bed rest include option A fever, option B pain, option C renal stone, option D jaundice. Answer is option C renal stone. Pulse pressure is dash. Difference between systolic and diastolic pressure, aortic pressure, systolic pressure. Answer is difference between systolic and diastolic pressure. Device used to raise the head or foot end of the bed is answer is bed block. Which of the following bed is very useful to prevent bed sore? Option A fracture bed, option B blanket bed, option C occupied bed, option D water bed. Answer is option D water bed. Anorexia means options are indigestion, feeling of fullness, loss of appetite, backflow of food. Answer is loss of appetite. 1 teaspoon is equal to option A 5 ml, option B 1 ml, option C 0.5 ml, option D 10 ml. Answer is option A 5 ml. The term bradycardia means dash. Answer is a heart rate less than 60 per minute. How much salt must be added to 1 liter of water to make a solution of normal saline? 0.9%. Answer is 9 gram. The best time to collect sputum specimen is options are before brushing teeth in the morning, after an antiseptic mouthwash, after nebulization, after steam inhalation. Answer is before brushing teeth in the morning. Reagent used for urine sugar test is option A acetic acid, option B Benedict solution, option C gentian violet, option D methylene blue. Answer is option B Benedict solution. Nurses Day celebrated on April 7th, August 15th, May 12th, December 15th. Answer is May 12th. The process of destroying microorganisms including spores is option A disinfection, option B sterilization, option C infection control, option D isolation. Answer is option B sterilization. The term used for generalized edema is option A anasarca, option B pitting edema, option C periorbital edema, option D septicemia. Answer is option A anasarca. The pH of fresh urine is about option A 7.1, option B 5.5 to 6.5, option C 8.4, option D 9.9. Answer is option B 5.5 to 6.5. Sandbags are used to prevent dash. Answer is food drop. Temperature of water for preparing hot water bag is options are 60 to 65 degrees Celsius, 65 to 70 degrees Celsius, 70 to 75 degrees Celsius, 90 to 100 degrees Celsius. Answer is 65 to 70 degrees Celsius. The chemical agent used for testing albumin in urine are Option A iodine, option B sulfur powder, option C sodium nitroprusside, option D acetic acid. Answer is option D acetic acid. Temperature, pulse, respiration and BP are called option A vital statistics, option B vital functions, option C vital signs, option D vital symptoms. Answer is option C vital signs. Glycerin enema is an example of option A astringent enema, option B purgative enema, option C emollient enema, option D retention enema. Answer is option C emollient enema. Cracking or ulceration of lips and angles of mouth is known as dash. Answer is chelosis. For administering 3000 ml of fluid for 24 hours, the flow rate is, and options are 31 drops per minute, 15 drops per minute, 45 drops per minute, 52 drops per minute. Answer is 31 drops per minute. Separation of an infected person from non-infected persons are option A incubation, option B isolation, option C inoculation, option D immunization. Answer is option B isolation. The best method of refuse disposal in a hospital is dumping, controlled tipping, incineration, composting. Answer is incineration. Gastric lavage is contraindicated after injection of which of the following? Aspirin, organophosphorus compound, corrosive alkali, odolum. Answer is corrosive alkali. Abbreviation of OD denotes. Answer is once a day. 1 teaspoon is approximately, options are option A 50 drops, option B 75 drops, option C 100 drops, option D 120 drops. Answer is option B 75 drops. Exercises that a patient does for himself is known as passive exercises, isotonic exercise, isometric exercise, active exercise. Answer is active exercise. Pyorrhea is dash. Foul smelling breath, bleeding gums, pus in the sockets of teeth, brown crust on the teeth. Answer is pus in the sockets of teeth. Nature's toothbrush. Options are coal, neem stick, drumstick, foot. Answer is neem stick. Antibiotics are the drugs used to treat dash. Answer is infection. A harsh vibrating shrill sound produced during respiration seen in laryngitis is. Options are rail, wheeze, stertorous, strider. Answer is strider. Step of nursing process that includes the statement of client's actual or potential health problems. Options are assessment, nursing diagnosis, planning, implementation. Answer is nursing diagnosis. Implementation of the nursing process involves, options are option A data collection, option B formulating nursing problems, option C giving actual nursing care, option D evaluation of care given. Answer is option C giving actual nursing care. Examination with the help of stethoscope is known as inspection, percussion, palpation, auscultation. Answer is auscultation. Isotonic saline means saline having a concentration of, options are option A 0.45 percentage, option B 0.5 percentage, option C 0.1 percentage, option D 0.9 percentage. Answer is option D 0.9 percentage. Presence of sugar in the urine is known as oliguria, glycosuria, hematuria, pyuria. Answer is option B glycosuria. Oral medication cannot be given to a client having dash. Vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal distension, abdominal pain. Answer is vomiting. For effective sterilization in the autoclave, the temperature should be dash. Options are 115 degree Fahrenheit, 121 degree Fahrenheit, 121 degree Celsius. Answer is 121 degree Celsius. In hyperpyrexia, the body temperature is, answer is above 105 degree Fahrenheit. The sudden fall of temperature to normal is called, options are crisis, lysis, fastigium, stadium. Answer is crisis. When the body temperature falls below 95 degree Fahrenheit, it is known as Options are hyperthermia, hypothermia, subnormal temperature, hypyrexia. Answer is hypothermia. Total cessation of breathing is known as eupnea, apnea, hyperpnea, tachypnea. Answer is apnea. A condition in which bacterial growth is checked. Options are option A bacteriostasis, option B asepsis, option C bactericide, option D antiseptic. Answer is option A bacteriostasis. Destruction of all microorganisms, both pathologic and non-pathologic. Option A disinfection, sterilization, immunization, bacteriostasis. Answer is option B sterilization. Gas sterilization is known as disinfection, autoclaving, sterilization, fumigation. Answer is fumigation. Hayes test is used for testing. Option A sugar, option B albumin, option C acetone, option D bile salt. Answer is option D bile salt. Smith test is used for option A sugar, option B albumin, option C bile salt, option D bile pigments. Answer is option D bile pigments. Brown crusts which are formed on the teeth and lips are called option A calculus, option B sods, option C enamel, option D dentin. Answer is option B sods. A sensation to vomit is known as dash. Answer is nausea. Pus in the urine is option A hematuria, option B pyuria, option C dysuria, option D polyuria. Answer is option B pyuria. The angle of insertion for IM injection is option A 15 degree Fahrenheit, 15 degree, option B 25 degree, option C 45 degree, option D 90 degree. Answer is option D 90 degree. Cone-shaped fusible medicated mass is known as option A carminative, option B pills, option C lozenges, option D suppository. Answer is option D suppository. Visual examination of body is known as inspection, palpation, percussion, auscultation. Answer is inspection. Gradual decline of body temperature is known as true crisis, false crisis, lysis, fastidium. Answer is lysis. Small quantity of a substance or object which shows the kind and quality of the whole, which is known as answer is specimen. Drugs in seed base that release as base dissolves in mouth. Option A emulsion, option B lotion, option C lozenges, option D tincture. Answer is option C lozenges. PRN means option A when required, option B once daily, option C before food, option D after food. Answer is option A when required. Introduction of fluid into lower bowel through the rectum is known as gastric lavage, gastric gavage, enema, purgative. Answer is enema. Abnormal increased convexity in the thoracic spine is known as lordosis, scoliosis, kyphosis, atrophy. Answer is kyphosis. A high-pitched musical whistling sound due to partial obstruction of smaller bronchi and bronchioles is known as option A rail, option B wheeze, option C stridor, option D chain stalk respiration. Answer is option B wheeze. The normal rate of respiration in an adult. Options are 10 to 12 breaths per minute, 16 20 breaths per minute, 20 to 24 breaths per minute, greater than 24 breaths per minute. Answer is 16 to 20 breaths per minute. Irregular rhythm pulse in which there is a weak second or premature beat is known as option A paradoxical pulse, option B bigeminal pulse, option C pulses alternans, option D dicrotic pulse. Answer is option B bigeminal pulse. A pulse in which force or strength of the pulse becomes weaker during inspiration is known as option A paradoxical pulse, option B bigeminal pulse, option C pulses alternans, option D dicrotic pulse. Answer is option A paradoxical pulse. Yellowish film of calcium phosphate, calcium carbonate, food particles and other organic matter deposit on the teeth is known as dash. Answer is tartar. The specific gravity of urine is 1.016 to 1.025. Cidex is, options are formaldehyde, Dettol, Savlon, glutaraldehyde. Answer is glutaraldehyde. Observable, perceivable and measurable data. Options are subjective data, objective data, primary data, secondary data. Answer is objective data. Sudden severe attack of shivering in which body temperature rises rapidly. Options are stadium, fastigium, crisis, rigor. Answer is rigor. Florence Nightingale was born on 12th May, 10th May, 15th June, 12th June. Answer is 12th May. Backflow of partly digested food into the mouth from the stomach is known as option A vomiting, option B nausea, option C regurgitation, option D dyspnea. Answer is option C regurgitation. Lack of oxygen in the bloodstream is known as anoxemia, anoxia, asphyxia, hypoxia. Answer is anoxemia. The most preferred site for IM injection for the children. Option A ventrogluteal site, option B vastus lateralis site, option C mid-deltoid site, option D dorsogluteal site. Answer is option B vastus lateralis site. Acetone in urine is tested by option A Smith test, option B Hayes test, option C Rothera's test, option D Benedict's test. Answer is option C Rothera's test. Substance used to counteract the effect of poison is known as antidotes, antiseptics, antibiotics, antifungal. Answer is antidotes. 1 ounce is equal to 60 ml, 30 ml, 15 ml, 45 ml. Answer is 30 ml. Hospital acquired infection is known as droplet infection, opportunistic infection, nosocomial infection, contamination. Answer is nosocomial infection. Application of the drug to the skin by friction is called instillation, insertion, insufflation, inunction. Answer is inunction. Bland diet is used for patients with option A diabetes mellitus, option B gastrointestinal disturbances, option C hypertension, option D cardiac disorders. Answer is option B gastrointestinal disturbances. An increase in the depth of respiration is known as option A orthopnea, option B apnea, option C hyperpnea, option D dyspnea. Answer is option C hyperpnea. The term stomatitis is option A inflammation of the stomach, option B inflammation of the mouth, option C inflammation of the lungs, option D inflammation of the gums. Answer is option B inflammation of the mouth.